Hey everybody, it's Ned over My Philippine Dreams, and today we are in Dumaguete City, right near Metro Dumaguete College, and we're checking out what they call a Paluto. A Paluto is like a place where they got fresh fish. You point out what kind of fish you want, and they cook it up to your specifications, usually grilled because it's delicious. And if you're wondering where this place is, there's a little village school right there that they just built. Metro Dumaguete College is right there. And this here is Hoyohoy. And this is a Paluto. And it's been around for a while. And it's been getting a lot of business. Every time I drive by here, it's full of people. We ate here the other night. And it is excellent. It's something that I highly recommend because I had the best fish of my life here. So basically, this is what it looks like. Everybody should congratulate Lynn because she just got a job today. Congratulations, Lynn. All right, so this is it. You got everything laid out, and you got the dye there with the sweeper thing, keeping the bugs away. And we got squid, and this is the taginig?
No, this name is tarugho. The tanigi is...
Tanigi is out of stock?
Yes.
Oh, man.
I know you like it, but...
And we got all kinds of other fish here. And we got shrimps. We're going to have some shrimps. Maybe some crabs, I don't know. And I'm gonna try this steak out, see how this is. All right, so we're getting ready to eat here. Let's do this. All right, so that tray is gonna be our dinner. Some of it's gonna be grilled, some of it's going to be cooked. And the crew here is hard at work tabulating our total price. We're gonna get a couple sodas and a rice. But I have a feeling it's gonna be pretty cheap. How many rice?
2.
I don't eat rice.
I don't.
Oh, for you? Okay, fine. All right. Okay, so this is the eating area. There's no overhead protection, but they got some tables under rain cover here, and it's just plastic table. I mean, it's
Coca-Cola table.
It's what?
It's Coca-Cola table.
Coca-Cola table, yeah, made by Coca-Cola. But this is one thing I love about the Philippines is the freaking seafood they have all over the place. And we're gonna be scarfing this. Yeah, and you. All right. All right, so dinner has been served. We got our squid adobo, we have our garlic and butter shrimp, and we got our delicious fish. We got 2 sodas, 2 rices coming, and all of that for 450 pesos. You can't basically beat Hoyohoy. Thanks to Chef Mark, and thanks to all the bubbly staff here at Hoyohoy for accommodating us and making us this festive feast. So, if you're looking for fresh seafood, delicious seafood in Dumaguete, come to Hoyohoy and check it out. Oh yeah, one last thing. This is Ned.
This is Len.
We are My Philippine Dreams. We'll see you next time. Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please. In the Philippines, cats are busboys. Ah!